This time on AU-venturous body goes to... We're exploring Yehliu Geopark, Shifen, and Jiufen, the three most popular tourist spots in New Taipei City. Let's go! So far, we have explored the city life of Taipei City, walking on the top of Taipei 101, as well as food tripping at Jiufen Night Market and Simending Shopping District. But it's time to slow down from all that hustle and bustle and let's experience the beauty of nature and rural life in and out of Taipei City. Starting with New Taipei City, the largest city in Taiwan. So let's get started. Hello everyone! Guess where am I? I'm here at the Yehliu Geopark. And look at these rock formations. They look strange yet familiar, isn't it? Some look like candles, some look like an egg in a cup, and others look really like weird mushrooms. Sitting along the northern coast of Taiwan, we have Yehliu Geopark, which is filled with numerous rock and sand formations just like the Kapurpurawan rock formations in Ilocos Norte. Yehliu Geopark is divided into three zones as shown on this map. The first zone of Yehliu Geopark will make you feel as if you're in the mushroom kingdom of Super Mario Brothers, as these rock and sand formations really do look like mushrooms. But please be mindful not to cross past the red line as you enjoy the formations. You definitely would not want to be swept away by the dangerous northern Taiwan waves. Another interesting formation at the first zone of Yehliu Geopark are these ones that look like big fat candles. Anyway, moving on to the second zone, well, this zone is home to the most important attraction at Yehliu Geopark, the Queen's Head. Actually, this reminded me of Queen Ramonda from Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Since the line to the Queen's Head is very long, Yehliu Geopark has a replica of it at a park near the first zone. There are even more mushroom-like rock sand formations at the second zone. But I'm pretty sure the minions would love this formation. Looking down, you could even go fossil hunting. And here's the third zone from afar. Nice holes of seawater there, by the way. After that, we headed off into another town tucked away in the mountains of New Taipei City named Shifen. Now, Shifen is known for two things. Firstly, we have Shifen Waterfalls. In fact, it is considered the Taiwanese counterpart of the Niagara Falls in North America. To get there though, you will have to walk along a long hiking route, which includes a scenic hanging bridge and what looks like the path of a former railway track. But the long walk is definitely worth it as you finally come face to face with the mighty falls. So mighty, in fact, it gets even stronger, muddier, and dangerous during heavy storms or typhoons. Want a better view of the falls? Be sure to come down. And here it is. What's more, there are also shops along the Shifen Waterfalls hiking route in case you either get hungry or want to buy souvenirs. The other important attraction at Shifen are these lantern shops lying along this rail track. For a fee, you can choose the lantern colors, and from there, you can write anything on it. Since it so happened that it was April 2, or World Autism Acceptance Day, back then, we decided to pick a blue lantern, and we filled in biblical verses and quotes to inspire other persons on the spectrum like me to dream big because God made us for a purpose. And when you're done, it's time to light it up and let it fly to the sky. This really reminded me of the lantern releasing scene from the movie Tangled, by the way. Lastly, we went to a hillside town named Jiufen. Fun fact, Jiufen means 9 portions in Chinese because back during the Qing dynasty, there were only 9 families living there. But today, it's a bustling town with shops selling food and merchandise lining up its narrow alleys. One shop sells herbal tea and flavored dried tofu. We also tried the famous Azu peanut ice cream roll, and it's very sweet and yet balanced thanks to the cilantro. Continuing down the narrow alleys and staircases of Jiufen, you will come across the famous Ame Tea House, and if you're a fan of Japanese anime, you will know that the reason for its popularity is its close resemblance to the tea house in Spirited Away. In fact, one can say that Jiufen resembles the town in Spirited Away, though not its direct inspiration in reality. Jiufen is also home to the oldest cinema in Taiwan, the Shengping Theater. Originally built to entertain minors living in that area, it now shows classical Chinese movies for free to the general public. And that ends our virtual tour around the 3 popular tourist destinations of New Taipei City: Yehliu Geopark, Shifen, and Jiufen. And the mountains I saw on the way to those places remind me of Psalm 121 verses 1 to 2, which says, I lift up my eyes to the hills. From where does my help come? My help comes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. Until next time, live an adventurous life, buddies, and God bless. And ever wondered about what are those weird bathroom fixtures which are very common in East Asian countries like Taiwan? Yup, those are squat toilets.